Today we're on my front porch and we are finished with this little DIY project of spray painting these plastic containers to make them look metallic. If you want to watch that video, I'll put that in a comment below for the link and you can go take a look at how to do that. But after you're finished with that, then it's time to get planting. And since we're approaching the cooler temperatures, we're in Mobile, Alabama, let's be honest, I'm out here in a lightweight like short sleeve shirt basically, but at some point it's going to get cold and I wanted to have my front porch ready for that. So we're going to plant this cryptomeria, which is a globosa nana. It's a dwarf cryptomeria. It basically stays this size and shape, but what I like about it is that it's evergreen. It's a perfect thing to put in the middle of the planter, but also that it's not a perfectly sphere shape. It's kind of got a loose habit to it, but then a little bit tight. So it's kind of a mixture of formal and informal. As you know, the first thing you want to do with a planter like this is to fill a little bit up with potting soil. So we're going to get started with that first. I've got a bag that I need to finish up here. I'm going to dump that in. Smooth that out in there. And let's take a look at how our cryptomeria measures up. This is a 3-gallon plant. If you go to the nursery, you can see the different sizes. This is a pretty big one. So I'm gonna take it out. Remember, oh, it's gonna work perfect, just like this. We're gonna do what's called scarify the roots, which means to kind of disturb them a little bit so that it stimulates some root growth in the plant. And I don't have a good eye of how we're going to turn it yet. We can turn it once it's all finished. But once you get your plant sitting in the center, then you want to fill around with some more potting soil, and then we'll start to plant our pansies. And what I love about these pansies, I chose a color that was fall to me. They're not, there's no team colors happening here. We try to avoid that. I've learned that from clients in the past, but what I love so much about pansies is they will bloom from now until the spring comes and you're ready to switch them out. And all you have to do is deadhead them to keep them encouraging their growth and flowering habit. And remember how to deadhead is these old spent blooms like this. You just snap them off like that. Just pull them off and then they will keep blooming for you. So anyway, 2 different shades of purple, gonna go around here. Let's get started on that.